Hey guys, Scott with GReviewz here, and today we're actually going to do something a little bit different. We've got this thing called a Porta Bote. Basically folds out into a boat, and we're going to be putting it together today to hopefully getting it out on the water. So this is where we start assembling the boat, or at least I tried to start assembling the boat. And honestly, I really didn't have a clue, and I really don't read directions, so it's kind of unfortunate. So really what you gotta do is you gotta jam that big wood pole in between the two gunnels of the boat. And I really didn't realize that until after the fact that I recorded the first clip. But anyway, this is my uncle and I putting the seats in, and honestly, we probably do it 3 different times, and again, for the lack of reading instructions. But anyway, we finally get the thing together, and you'll see it all together in a couple seconds. Hey guys, so we now have the boat all put together. It is a folding Porta Bote. But we got the wheels here, they are detachable. This is where we mount the motor. We've got our oars, our 29 series deep cycle battery from Walmart, so we'll see that in a second. It does have 3 seats. My uncle rigged up a little handle here for carrying it and transporting it. And we will be also putting this 40-pound thrust Minn Kota Endura trolling motor on it, so hopefully that'll work well. But it does say 40 pounds of thrust and a 36-inch shaft length, so we will be mounting that momentarily. So stay tuned. And this is just me taking the Endura Minn Kota out of the box and mounting it on the boat. And we'll go ahead and take it out in a second on the water in Long Pond, Massachusetts. Hey, honey, what are we doing?
We are in Long Pond.
Long Pond.
Yeah, Long Pond Lake.
In the 12-foot Porta Bote that we just put together. We've got our big 29 series deep cycle battery. We'll see how long that lasts. And we have our 40-foot-pound or 40-pound thrust trolling motor, Minn Kota. We just bought this. Oh man, that's top speed. Woo! Man. We're going so fast. And as you can see, for the size and actually the price, the Porta Bote is only about $1,000, but you can actually fit up to 4 people and about 600 pounds in these boats. And it really does have a lot of space to it. You can actually put up to a 3.5 horsepower motor, and is actually very portable. You can really put on any small car on a roof rack. And here are just some pictures of putting the Porta Bote together and on the water also with my wife, taking it out for the first time. Overall, I give the boat probably an 8 out of 10 overall. Its value is very good for how large of a boat you're getting. It's very versatile in the fact that you don't need a big vehicle to pull it. It is very practical. Again, you can fit probably 4 people in there. So even if you have, you're pulling something else behind your car, you can still put this on the top so you have a boat as well. Overall, again, I think it's great for small families, couples, anyone who just wants to get out on the water. And for basically the same price as a single person kayak, it's a great bargain for your money. Thanks for watching GReviewz. Take care, everybody.